2, 1, go!
Dee-dee-doo. Oh, there we go. Team Appreciate is up and over the bump as the Red Alliance sinks their fangs into a meal of fuel. Blue Alliance. Barbecue unloading their robot into the Blue Alliance hub. Team Appreciate lobbing fuel in an endless stream into the hub as we go into teleoperated mode. Appreciate back over to the neutral zone to refill their robot. Iron Fangs crossing the field to try to slow Appreciate down. Blue Alliance hub is active as Taco struggles to find a way over the bump. Beartex shuttling fuel over to the Red Alliance side. Uh-oh, it looks like the Mavericks might be hung up on some fuel, but they get free. Barbecue refilling their robot in preparation for their scoring. On the Red Alliance side, Team Appreciate gets a little bit of a jump on the Red Alliance shift. Mavericks still struggling to drive onto the ground, but Beartex helps them get free. Appreciate plowing through the neutral zone, sending fuel back to their alliance. They're up and over the bump. They line up for another shot. Can they make it just in the nick of time? The shift changes to the blue right before Appreciate can make a shot. Looks like Beartex are hung up on the blue bump. Barbecue lines up and fire at the blue hub, just making a couple of shots. A little bit long. They line up and try again, get a few more in. Their friends Taco helping them with the Blue Alliance. On the Red Alliance side, Appreciate wastes no time filling the Red Alliance hopper and reloading again to give it another go. Appreciate lines up, they start firing, and it rains down fuel into the Red Alliance hub. Barbecue spraying fuel everywhere as we go into the end game. 30 seconds remaining in the match. Fuel is showering down on both sides of the field. Mavericks trying to make their way back over to the Red Alliance zone. Beartex shuttling fuel over to the red side. Barbecue firing fuel any direction, hoping to score something. Appreciate launches one last volley into the Red Alliance hub with 3, 2, 1. Match number 11, the Red Alliance, with our new high score of 214 to 60. Red Alliance takes 3 ranking points for the win and 1 for energizing their hub.